Hey guys, my name is Erik and I'm gonna tell you a story about my first investment in my life. And I am gonna tell you why I lost $76,676. And as you can see, because of that picture here, my first investment in my entire life was Tesla stock. Back in 2013. I didn't know anything about analyzing companies back then, 2013, it's 7 years ago. But when I found out about Tesla, Elon Musk, I was like, this is the future. I could saw like this segment would grow in the time like crazy. But the most important thing for me was Elon Musk. He was like Tony Stark from Iron Man, You definitely shouldn't do it like this, but I just felt it, But what the hell, Erik? If you bought Tesla 2013, you are probably rich. Why this video is called that you lost money? Okay, guys, this is the thing. This is what I want to show you in this video. So let's begin. First, I gotta say that my broker, where I bought these Tesla stocks back then, went in recent years under. So he's not here anymore. But that's not the case why I lost the money. I didn't lose the money because of that. I'm telling you because it was quite hard to find the data. But I found some emails from the time, so here we go. It was October 2013 when I bought my first 5 shares of Tesla for $155.67. $155.67, guys. Oh my god, Erik. Oh my gosh, 2013, 7 years ago. What the hell I was doing 2013? Why did I buy Tesla stock or what? Let's check it out what I was doing, man. Let's check our Via Brothers channel. October 2013, it's somewhere here. So it's the time when we were doing pranks on YouTube. But as you can see, we made quite some views here, so maybe I just decided to invest. Okay, we probably started to think that we should invest some money what we earned, I guess. In November 2013, I bought 2 shares for $134. And again, in November 2013, I bought 3 shares for $137.38. Then I probably lost some data because I couldn't find more emails about this. But I found this important report where you can see that at the end of the year of 2013, I owned 35 shares of Tesla, but I don't know exactly the price. There is $150, but it was price of the market that day. But you know what? Benefit of the doubt, we can count with this number 150, 35 shares. Let's go. Okay, so we got here 35 shares for good price, $150. The last market price was something like 2,000 and more if we don't count the stock split now. Erik, you made some money, right? No! I didn't make so much money there. Why? Because I sold it. I sold my Tesla shares few months later. Few months, not even years, few months later. Erik, how did you lose your faith in few months? Let's check it out how it looks. April 2014, I sold 15 shares of Tesla for $226.01 and my profit was $1,176.32571. Yeah, I made a profit there. I probably thought, oh my gosh, so huge profit, I wanna take my money, boy. Or I don't know what happened. Let's check my Instagram. The closest one is here, 9th of April. Don't tell me that I sold Tesla because I wanted to buy a ride on the duck. Then only 3 days later, what the hell? I sold 10 shares of Tesla for $205.81 with profit $582.21714. Alright, I sold 25 shares of my 35 shares and I made profit $1,758.54288. So I made profit, right? Why am I so talking about the losses? Don't worry guys, I will explain you in a minute. And what happened with my last 10 shares? I sold it! On August 2015, the next year, I sold all my remaining shares of Tesla, 10 shares of Tesla, for the price $235.99 with the profit $884.01714. By the way guys, I got an idea now because I said I don't know the purchase price. But if I see profit, I see the price, I see the shares, I can count it. I can count my purchase price. Wait, I can count my average purchase price for Tesla stocks. I got it! My average purchase price for Tesla stocks was $147. Okay guys, and the important thing right now, why is this video called that I lost money? Exactly $76,000 or something like this. Because even selling is a decision and can be bad decision as well. Because if you sell at the wrong time and it goes up, you could earn much more money. It's something like you lost it, right? As you can see, I bought the Tesla somewhere here, 2013. As you can see, it's crazy. Now it's here. I sold it April 2014. and August 2015, you can see that probably it wasn't so bad decision because many years Tesla was flat, so maybe it was not so bad decision, right? But if I would just hold it long term, I would benefit from what happened here. And that's the reason, guys, why long term is the key. Long term in good companies, you should analyze the companies, not like I did it 7 years ago. Let's see the numbers, guys. Alright, guys, so I made a profit $2,642. But what would happen if I would just hold it? If I would hold my shares until now. Today's price of Tesla is $482. We have here a little complication here because recently, yesterday, Tesla made stock split. If you don't know what's a stock split, it means that you get for your one share 5 shares and Tesla can change the price of the stock 5 times lower and make it more affordable for people. So it means, from my perspective, the Tesla cost $2,413. And it means that my Tesla stocks would be worth today $84,484. I bought it for $5,165. Like I counted here, you know, that's special math. So if you look at it from the perspective that I didn't sell my shares, so basically I lost $76,676 in profits because I sold it. I didn't hold. Let's put some more numbers because we love numbers, right? I could earn 16 times my money in 7 years. It is 1,535% return on my money. And if we check annual returns, it would be 94.07% per every year. Totally crazy, totally crazy. That's why I'm doing this video, because I wanted to see myself, I wanted to check it out because I remember how I believed in this company 7 years ago and I don't know why I sold it, oh my god. And guys, I know you shouldn't count it like this, you shouldn't count it like this. I made profits, you know, you shouldn't count it like what you would have. No, it's not like you should do it. I just wanted to see it and tell you my story about my first investment, so don't take it like some advice or something today. It's not, it's only telling me a story about my first investment, and I wanted to see what would happen if I would just hold it, and that's it. If you are new here, I would be happy if you subscribe to this channel, and we are trying to create here community about investing. We are trying to learn more and more and more so we can be better, and we can earn some money like Warren Buffett, baby. And one last thing, guys, write in the comments your story about your first investment, because I'm so curious, I want to read it, and what happened with your first investment, I want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!